Good evening, guys. Mr. Kidd here, giving you some homework help. Actually, I'm going to give you the answers to your homework tonight. Hopefully, you've already worked them out. Go back and see if you can figure them out if you've missed them. Just a reminder about factors. Again, like we did in class, if we're thinking about factors, we're thinking about those numbers that will divide another number evenly, or we can think of them as factor pairs that equal that number when you multiply. So let's take a look at B. So 10. If you remember, for factors, we want to start with 1. Is there anything that we can multiply 1 by and get 10? Of course there is. 1 times 10 equals 10. Remember, this should have been an 8. Right, and then of course we go to 2. Is there 2 times anything? And yes, 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So let's think about 3. 3, so factors is like skip counting to see if we land on that number. So if we were to divide 3 ways, so that would be 3, 6, 9, 12, no. Let's try 4, 8, 12, no. Let's try 5. But wait a minute, 5's already in my list, so I know I'm done. So my factors in order are 1, 2, 5, and 10. These are my factors. So it's 4, so therefore it is composite. Let's look at the number 11, our factors for 11. Of course, 1 times 11. Do I need to try any even number for this odd number? No, I do not, because we know that all even numbers land on even numbers. So then I can try 3, 3, 6, 9. No. 5, 5, 10, 15. No. 7, 7, 14. Well, wait a minute. We know that for factors, there are no factors that are between half the number and the number itself. So we're done. So the factors of 11 are 1 and 11. That makes this a prime number because why? There are only 2 factors. All right, I'm going to run down the list here and quickly fill in the answers so we're not spending all night on each question. The factors for factor pairs for 14 are 1 times 14. We also have 2 times 7. And that's it. So the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. Has more than 2 factors, so it is composite. The factors for 17, we can only get that by multiplying 1 times 17. So the factors of 17 are 1 and 17. And that is prime, because it only has 2 factors. Going on, the factors for 20 are 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. So all the factors of 20 are, I'm going to start typing them so make it a little faster. We can put them in order. So they are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So those are my factors of 20. The factors for 22, 1 times 22, of course, and 2 times 11. So my factors for 22 are 1, 2, 11, 22. And let me go back up here. We know that therefore that this has more than 2 factors. So this would be a composite and 20 is a composite. All right. The factors for 23, that'd be 1 times 23. There are no other ways, so the factors for 23 are 1, and 23. There are only two factors, so that makes that a prime number. The factors for 25, 1 times 25, of course, and 5 times 5. Those are all our factors. So the factors for 25 are 1, 5, and 25. Now be careful with this one because this has 3 factors, but that's still more than 2. So this is a composite number. 26, we can go 1 times 26. We can also do 2 times 13. And those are all our factors. So our factors for 26 are 1, 2, 13, and 26. Still, it's more than 2 factors. It's composite. 27, we can get that by 1 times 27. We can get that by 3 times 9. There are no other ways to get 27. So our factors for 27 are 1, 3, 9, and 27. Right? So, it's more than 2 factors, so that's composite. 28, 1 times 28. We also have 2 times 14. And we also have 4 times 7. Okay. All right, so here are our factors for 28. They're 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Okay. It has more than 2 factors, so this is a composite number. Alright, this is the video for the front page of Lesson 22. I'm going to make another video for each page for your homework. So if you need to check your next side, check out the next video.